Welcome to Auto Install. In this guide, I will show you how to fix your dishwasher not running with easy solutions and that work fast.
Fix 1. Check and clean the filter. Step 1. Turn off the dishwasher and unplug it. Step 2. Open the bottom rack and remove the filter at the bottom of the dishwasher. Step 3. Rinse the filter under running water and remove any food debris. Step 4. Reinstall the filter and run a short cycle to test. Fix 2. Inspect and clear the drain hose. Step 1. Locate the drain hose, usually under the sink connected to the garbage disposal. Step 2. Detach the hose carefully and check for clogs or kinks. Step 3. Clear any debris using a long brush or running water. Step 4. Reattach the hose securely and test the dishwasher. Fix 3. Check the garbage disposal. If connected, Step 1. Ensure the disposal is clear and free of clogs. Step 2. Run the disposal to make sure water can flow freely. Step 3. Check that the knockout plug in the disposal inlet for new installations is removed. Fix 4. Inspect the dishwasher drain pump. Step 1. Unplug the dishwasher and remove the lower panel. Step 2. Locate the drain pump, usually near the bottom. Step 3. Check for obstructions like broken glass, food, or small objects. Step 4. Clear any blockages and reassemble the dishwasher.